I'm Karen Barrett, and I'm the owner at Harbor Fish Market and Grill in Bailey's Harbor. We've become known as a New England-type seafood restaurant because, again, the seafood speaks for itself with limited sauces, with just a few garnishes. We're known for lobster. We've kind of become the lobster queen up here. We serve lobster for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and people come back again and again for that in the variety of ways that we serve it. Our lobster boil is one of the most popular items we have on our menu, which is a 1.5 to 2 pound live Maine lobster with baby red potatoes, fresh corn on the cob, New Zealand mussels, and steamed clams. Years ago, we had to serve this wonderful lobster roll making our own bread because we weren't able to source a bakery to make the correct roll for this. Traditionally in New England, those lobster rolls are only served in a split top roll, which we couldn't find anywhere in the Midwest. We found a bakery that can help us with that now. So we take huge chunks of that same Maine lobster meat, mix it with some light mayonnaise, fresh cucumbers, celery, and onion, and we pile it in that roll so that you can't fit the whole thing in your mouth. Our lobster omelet is a 3-egg omelet that we prepare with huge chunks of Maine lobster meat. You can often find claw meat and huge pieces of tail meat in that. It's finished with a light cream cheese and sour cream sauce, and to make it even a little more delicate, but add a little flavor, we got some fresh spinach in there. We have a fantastic cut of Wagyu Kobe beef that is hugely popular with our guests. It's a 12-ounce eye of ribeye, porcini rubbed, prepared rare to medium rare, served on garlic, sesame, miso mushrooms with a daikon and carrot salad with a side sesame soy sauce. It is fantastic and a feast for your eyes as well as for your belly.